Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode on TechnoBroSA. And before starting the video,
subscribe to TechnoBroSA and don't forget to click that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video.
So in today's video, we are going to talk about Google Photos. It has a new app logo as you can see. And now I'm going to open the Google Photos and check out what are the new features on Google Photos. So here we get the manual for the new and more helpful Google Photo. So it's easier to use than ever to find your favorite memories with new search tab and the streamlined navigation. Let's click OK and move on. So here previously there were 4 options to navigate through. Now we have 3 options. First is Photos, second is Search, and third is Library. On the top right hand corner we have our Gmail accounts. On the top left corner we have the comment section where you can see the albums that you have shared with people. So now we go back into the Library option. There are Favorites, Utilities, Archives, Bin, and below that there are Photos on device, camera, screenshot, WhatsApp images, WhatsApp videos, and so under that there is album folders. So you can see your albums here. The next option here is Search. So in the search menu, first on the top you can see the search bar. Then under that there is people and pets, whomever you have saved. Below that there are places and it is showing your current location, where are you now. Under that there are different things like airplane, cars, and all other things. Under that there are your activities like favorites, recently added. Under that there are categories like screenshot, selfies, videos, 360 photos and videos, photo scan, motion photos. Even under that there are creations like all creation, animation, collages, movies. Now you have all the locations here. You can view all and see all the locations where you have clicked the photos. The next is things, like it has all types of things. So now we are going to talk about whether the new interface is an improvement or not. So according to me, till now whatever I have faced, it's not an improvement but it's a deterioration. So that was the video about this. So if you have any doubt about Google Photos and the new interface, you can ping up in the comment, ask the questions in the comment section. Sub to the channel will be great. And also if you like this video, and also share this video with your stock Android friends who use Google Photos as their main gallery so that they get help while navigating this new interface. So signing off for now. Bye.